Welcome to the Manitoba Children's Museum. We promise your visit will be so much fun. Every visitor, young and old, and of all abilities, should enjoy their museum experience. It all begins here, in our Welcome Center. You start off at the admission desk by purchasing your admission ticket. This is a great time to let the staff know if you have any special needs that we can help out with. More on that in a bit.
Right next to the Welcome Center is Shop, the museum's gift store that sells small toys, snacks, and more. Ask the adult you're with today if you can visit Shop. If you don't have any time, don't worry, you can always come back another day. Next, free up your arms and feet for fun by stowing your coats and boots in the lockers and a coat room area. If you want to use a locker, please bring Looney. Anytime you need to take a break, stop by the lunchbox area and enjoy a rest. This is also a great place to eat a snack or lunch. Water fountains and washrooms, including a family washroom, are close by if you need a washroom break.
If you have a question or need help, don't hesitate to ask. Museum staff in green uniforms or a volunteer in a blue apron, they're all here to help. In fact, our staff will help you with the Explorability tools to make your visit even better. The Explorabilities Access Program provides adapted museum experiences and a range of visitor services for children of all abilities. Check out our toolkit. We have ear defenders so it's not too noisy, sunglasses if the shining lights are too bright. Ubi Duo is a two-way communication device designed for people who are deaf or hard of hearing. The museum also offers guidebooks for our galleries. They are available in Braille format, English, and French.
We also offer the guides in many other languages as well, so if English or French aren't your first language, you can check out our language resources to see if we have materials available in your first language. As you can see, the Children's Museum is for all people, so if there's anything you need to help make your visit easier or more fun, just let us know.